Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know your timing chain cover is leaking engine oil? So if you change your valve cover gasket and you change your oil pan gasket and you're still getting a leak on the timing side, most likely it's going to be caused by a leak somewhere on the timing cover. Leaks can occur pretty much anywhere on a timing cover. For example, on this side over here, leaks can occur right around the edges, right over here. Leaks can occur right where the bolts goes through, the timing cover bolts, one over here, one over here. Leaks can occur right where the engine mount bolt goes into. So it's gonna be 1, 2, and 3. Leaks can also occur right here at the crankshaft area. And on some vehicle, not all, the timing tensioner is going to be on the side over here, and leaks can occur right at the timing tensioner seal as well. Also, leaks can occur right at the top end as well. On some vehicles, the timing cover is extremely brittle, so when you're trying to remove the timing cover, you can actually crack the timing cover. So take your time when removing the timing cover. When cleaning the timing cover, make sure you remove the silicone in the crevices or cavity. Make sure you change all seals and gasket. You see this over here? That's called the dowel pin or the alignment pin. Make sure when you push the timing cover into the engine, make sure the dowel pin or the alignment pin goes in all the way. And make sure you torque all the bolts to spec. Otherwise, you can cause a leak. In addition to that, if you use silicone, allow it to dry up just a little bit prior to installation and then torque it down. If you're still getting a leak after applying new silicone or changing the gasket, because number one, maybe you didn't clean the surface good enough. And number two, the alignment pin and dowel pin is probably crooked and it's causing a gap between the timing cover and the engine. And the third reason is this. You see this hole over here? That's where the timing bolt goes in. Make sure you apply silicone on this as well. So that black spot there is silicone. Make sure you apply it over here as well. And right here is the engine mount. If you look carefully, there's also silicone on it. So make sure you apply a lot of silicone over here, here, and here. And if there's a gasket over here, make sure you place the gasket. Apply silicone over here and here. And make sure you look around carefully. You see this little hole over here? Oil can flow out of that. You see this as well? Oil can also flow out of that. And make sure if you got seals and stuff, make sure you just change everything. And let's flip this around. And don't forget to apply silicone over here as well. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.